years to come. And I know to you this might just look like scrap and clutter, but to us, this is everything. Please let me introduce Amy, Adam, I'm Josie, and we humbly call ourselves the Gathers. We travel the galaxy looking for war-torn planets, abandoned outposts, and forgotten ancient temples, both Jedi and Sith.
Lightsaber, it begins. It is time. Your journey.
Master Yoda? Oh, builders, the Force must be strong here. And Master Yoda is right. It is now time to forge the bond between Builder and Saber. So in a moment, I'm going to ask you to step forward. Put your hand on your hilt, and together we will activate. So Builders, if you're ready, take that step forward. Put your hand on your hilt and activate. Raise your lightsaber. For you have built a lightsaber like the Jedi and the Sith that have come before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Builders, if you would, please raise your sabers high. Congratulations, the bond is complete. Please lower and deactivate.
Complete your lightsaber is. Like you when it can, and lead you, it can.